Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to check Corsair RAM's originality. Now go to any browser and search for CPU-Z. Go to the first site, scroll a little bit down and download setup or zip file. I will use zip one. Download now. Go to the downloads folder and unzip the program. Go to the folder and run application. Now on the application you have to go speed tab, and here you will see the model manufacturer Corsair. On the original models you will see DRAM manufacturers as well. There is two manufacturers for the Corsair models. It's one of them is Samsung and another is Hynix. If you can't see DRAM manufacturer here, so it's fake RAM. If you see manufacturers, so it's the real one. I'll change my slot to second one. You see that DRAM manufacturer is Samsung and it's original as well. And also the XMP is not working on the fake models usually, but on the real ones it's working. And that's how you define the Corsair RAM is original or fake. If this video was helpful to you, please like video and subscribe my channel.